Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build an app with AI. So first is first, you just have to go to any web browser and then search for Firebase. So this application can help you build an application using prompts. So how are you going to do that? Just get started, create an account first. And then, by the way, you can copy the prompt that I'm going to show you right now, but you can also create your own. So this is the sample prompt. So I asked Firebase to help me create a cross-platform mobile app using Firebase. I want the application to, you can insert main function, track daily habits, provide a chat system or manage to-do list. Please set up authentication with email and Google login. Firestore for real-time database storage and Firebase hosting if needed, and so on. Actually, you can create your own, you can edit, you can remove something here, and then you can add whatever you want. But this is just an example of a prompt. If you don't know how to create one, you can also ask ChatGPT for a help. And then once you're done, then you can tap or click this prototype with AI. Here you can customize everything before you publish your application. So if you tap this one right here, it will take a few minutes, so you have to wait for that. Once you have the result, then feel free to customize to edit something here, for example, color or whatever it is. You can see the option. And once you're okay with that too, then what you're going to do next is you have to tap on prototype this app. Click this one right here. Wait for a couple of minutes again as it is running. So you have to wait for that. And here it is. Here is a sample of your application. No coding, just prompt. So you can try this one out. But some features here are not functioning because you need to upgrade your plan or you need to purchase in order for you to publish or fully use this application. So publish this application first, and then you can start sharing this. You can start logging into this application. And that's how easy it is to build an app with AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.